Hey guys, another quick get ready with me video today. It is September when I'm filming this. I have on an olive color jumpsuit and this warm tones shirt, so I'm going to go with more of a fall look on my face using this palette. It's not new to me, I've had it for a little while. But let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to use this one called Dulce first for the transition shade, and I'll just try to keep my talking to a minimum so that I can block out the sounds of the air conditioner and maybe just cover it with some music or something like that so that it doesn't annoy you too much. Alright, here goes. Alright, I like this darker orange color there. It's called Vintage. So I'm going to go ahead and go into it next. Right, there's a deeper brown here that I would like to use. It's called Cocoa right here. And I'm going to use it just a very small amount of it under my eye and kind of over here in the corner. My camera is about to die on me. I really like the way it looks right now, but I do want to put a little touch of something shimmery, and I noticed that I've never used this one before. It's called Bougie. I'm just going to take some of it with my finger and put it right in the middle and give it that little something that's going to tie it together. And then blend that one more time. And now I just need to do eyeliner and mascara, and the eye look will be done. Now, you could leave it like this. There's absolutely nothing wrong with this look. I want to put a little glitter, gold, kind of like on the eyeliner area, just to give it a little pop. I can't find my blush for some reason, so I am going to use a color from this palette as my blush. Alright guys, that is the completed look. Real simple, matches what I'm wearing, it goes with the fall aesthetic. Alright, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.